Hello class, welcome back to our second session. And for the second session, everyone, like teacher said a while ago, teacher will continue our lesson for today from Treehouse 3, everyone. So let's continue our new lesson for today. Our new lesson for today is come from Unit 9, the Candy Factory. New words, we have candy. Spell candy, everyone. So repeat after teacher, okay? Number 1, candy. C-A-N-D-Y. Candy. Number 2, kangaroo. Kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. Next, number 3, we have factory. Factory. F-A-C-T-O-R-Y. Factory. Next, our number 4, machine. Machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E. Machine. Alright. So like teacher said a while ago, teacher will explain to you more details about our new 4 new words. So for the number 1, this one is candy. You like candy, everyone, right? Alright, this one is made of sugar, correct, and puts a lot of flavors to have a taste. Next, kangaroo. You know kangaroo, an animal that lives in Australia, correct, and this one has a pocket where their baby kangaroos live. Yeah, you see? Alright. Next, this one is number 3, factory. Factory is a place where you can make something like candy. Alright, you put your materials, equipment, and machine inside the factory, correct? So that is a factory. You see, have the window because this one is a place. Can it be a house or a big house? Okay, everyone? So this is a factory. Now this one, our number 4, this is machine. Machine is an equipment that you can make something like clothes or candies. Alright, everyone? So that is a machine. There's a lot of buttons, on and off, turn, and that's it. Our machine. Alright, everyone? So now let's proceed to our practice for today. We have 2 different practice, everyone. First practice, we have to answer our activity book on page 50 with an audio listening. Alright? This one, you need to take out your colors, brown, pink, and purple only. Alright? And for our second practice, we are going to talk about our favorite candy. Alright, everyone? So let's start. Open your activity book on page 50. So this is our activity book, everyone. And take out. So this is our activity book, everyone. And open your book on page 50. This is our first activity. Our first activity is listen and color. Okay, everyone? So you are going to listen to the audio track and follow the instructions carefully. You need to color. Okay, so listen and make sure that you color these things correct. Okay, everyone, are you ready? Okay, let's start.
Unit 9. The Candy Factory. Page 50. Listen and color.
Color the kangaroo brown. Color the candy pink. Color the king's clothes purple.
Alright everyone, welcome back. So now that you finish your audio listening activity number 2 or practice for today, I'm sure that you color your activity book already. So let's check if you did correctly. Alright everyone, for kangaroo, what color you colored this kangaroo? Very good. Color brown. So make sure that you color your kangaroo color brown. Alright. So how about this candy? Color pink. Very good. So make sure that you color these candies color pink. Alright. So for our clothes of the king, what color everyone? Color purple. Very good everyone. So you make sure that you color the clothes of the king color purple. Very good everyone. Clap for yourself. So that is our activity for today. First activity for today. Now let's proceed to our second activity. Talk about favorite candy. What is your favorite candy, everyone? This is what you are going to do. Take a short video talking about your favorite candy, alright? I'm gonna show you my favorite candy. Here's my favorite candy. I know that some of you like these candies too. But remember everyone, don't eat too much candy because kids don't like toothache, everyone, and drinks a lot of water after you eat these candies. Alright everyone? And one more thing, do not forget to finish your classwork and homework and send it back your answers to your teacher's personal telegram. I'll see you again tomorrow everyone. Goodbye!